As Netflix announces a release date for Depp v. Heard, revisit odd trial moments. A new Netflix documentary titled Depp v. Heard, which will debut on August 16th, centers on the widely followed trial of Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. Millions were enthralled by the April 2022 courtroom spectacle as they fought over allegations of assault. Huge attention was sparked by their appearances, facial expressions, and even a supposed extramarital relationship between Depp and his lawyer. The appeal of the trial was due to its odd and viral moments as well as its association with Hollywood royalty. The interest increased when Amber's attorney protested to himself and a witness responded angrily to claims of celebrity. The actor's account of how his ex-partner urinated in the bed they shared on April 21, 2016, after a heated argument that occurred after a meal honoring her 30th birthday was perhaps the most bizarre portion of the performance. He said in court that there was human waste on his side of the bed. "I laughed when I first heard that. I was unable to help but chuckle since it was so absurd and horrific." She attempted to attribute it to the dogs. "They are Yorkies and teacups. They each weigh roughly 4 pounds, he said. "I shared a home with those dogs. I recognized their funk. The dogs weren't to blame." Amber's legal team showed a slew of unsettling communications Johnny sent to actor Paul Bettany during his evidence, in which he stated the intention to drown his ex-partner before burning her. Benjamin Rottenborn, Amber's lawyer, said, "You wrote that about the woman who would later become your wife," and Johnny replied, "Yes. Let's drown her before we burn her," read the June 2013 writings. "After that, I'll FK her burned corpse to make sure she's dead." When Amber's attorney, Adam Nadelhaft, objected to his own line of questioning, a memorable trial scene occurred. The event occurred as he was asking Johnny's home manager, Ben King, about the March 8th finger incident. He asked Ben, "You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?" He started to respond when Adam immediately cut him off, saying, "Objection, hearsay." Judge Penny Ascart clarified the situation after the abrupt stoppage by saying, "Wait, you asked the question." The following query. Adam hesitated and mumbled, "Oh, okay," before continuing to ask questions. Due to her poise in court and rapport with the actor during the trial, Camille, Johnny's attorney, became a popular figure on the internet. As they engaged in playful interactions including whispered discussions, shared laughing, and knowing smiles, viewers conjectured about a prospective romance. Kate, who typically avoids the media, overcame her hesitation to speak up and jumped to Johnny's defense in court. Her evidence refuted Amber's assertion that Johnny had shoved her down a flight of stairs. Amber claimed that when they were arguing, her sister intervened between them and struck Johnny. "I don't hesitate or wait, I just swing at him since Kate Moss and staircases come to me right away," according to Amber. However, Kate, who dated Johnny from 1994 to 1998, testified that while they were on a trip to Jamaica, Johnny had truly assisted her after she slipped and tumbled down the steps. "Johnny left the room before I did as we were getting ready to go. I slipped down the stairs as I was leaving the room since it had been raining," she recalled. "I screamed because I hurt my back and had no idea what had happened." She continued by saying that he rushed to her aid and even carried her to her room and got her medical attention. Several witnesses, including doctors, professionals, friends, and family members, gave testimony during the trial. Notably, some witnesses attracted attention online for their remarks and behavior during the trial. Regarding the same, former TMZ reporter Morgan Tremaine disproved claims made by Amber's attorney, winning him plaudits online as a king. Amber's team contacted Morgan, who had previously served as TMZ's field assignment manager, in relation to pictures of Amber taken in 2016 that showed a mark on her cheek after obtaining a restraining order against Johnny.